Hello, and welcome to 195 7th Street. We're going to be touring a lovely condo with a rooftop deck. It's got two sides. This is the other side, so you have amazing views of the city. You also have an outdoor patio on the ground level, laundry on each level, and this unit comes with a dedicated private storage room. Okay, so let's enter the unit. We're going to be touring Unit 207. This is a light-filled studio. It's very quiet. Lots of natural light, beautiful wood floors throughout. Remodeled kitchen. You have a lovely Murphy bed. There's a brand new mattress in there, which you can choose to use or keep up. There is a dishwasher, gas range, sink, and refrigerator. This unit is located off the street, so it is very quiet. You have top-down, bottom-up shades, plenty of plugs in the rooms, stone counters, lots of cabinet space for a studio. Here is a nice big closet. And full bathroom. You have a nice vanity here with lots of counter space. Shower with glass enclosure and good-sized shower head. There's your towel bar and a better look at the vanity. Lots of drawers and storage. Okay, if you're interested in this amazing studio, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.